Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to convert any boring static product image into a professional Facebook ads, TikTok ads ready video using only AI, right? So we're going to be using ChatGPT 5 to generate professional product images, and we're going to be using my prompt Boilerplate that will be available as a free download, guys. You're right. This prompt Boilerplate is the one we're going to be using to basically generate product images like these ones or these ones or these ones. So everything is based on this boilerplate, and I'm giving it for free, guys. Okay, so below the video or in the description box or in the comment box, whichever, guys, there's going to be a link to download this Google Doc. So watch out for it because I'll be dropping that in there at some point, guys. Okay, so this is what we're using for the foundation, for the base to generate the prompts, right? And then we are getting end results like this, okay? And this is, guys, coming from something like this right here, okay? So all we did, we pulled this from AliExpress, like super, even the image itself is like super grainy, it's blurry, the quality is really bad. So this is all we had. And then we use my boilerplate right here to generate prompts like here. So we have these basically prompts, and then we using these prompts with this image right here to now generate the images. So shot number one, for example, create an image of a three-piece fuzzy pink cloud set. We have tank top, high waist pants, and cardigan, right? And then we are describing the scene and everything. And the way it's going to work with the boilerplate, guys, when you're going to be copy pasting, for example, shot number one, all you need to do, you need to add an image of the product or accessory that you want to generate images for. Then you need to replace the placeholders, right? So is it a clothing item? Is it accessory? Is it a watch? Is it a, I don't know, a ring, right? And then replace the placeholder for the surface and stuff like that. So the ones in the brackets, those are placeholders. So make sure to replace them with the relevant products that you're generating images for. Otherwise, you're not gonna get good results because simply these are placeholders. Okay, guys. So everything that's in the bracket, those are placeholders. You need to fill in yourself for the product that you want to generate images for. All right. So, and we're splitting that into three shots. So the shot is shot number one is the close-up of the product without the AI model, and then we have two shots of the product with the AI model, so almost full body scan. Then we have the shot number three, which is basically a selfie in a mirror, because this is like a really common one when we doing ads on TikTok specifically. You're gonna often see people creating a selfie in a mirror with a product, showcasing product, guys. So this is a very natural and raw way of advertising a product. So we are trying to basically mimic that, okay? And once I have all these three images, what I did, guys, this is a really cool part, guys. Listen up. I downloaded all the images from ChatGPT, re-uploaded them to ChatGPT, and then I said, based on these three images, create video prompts for Clingi AI to animate and 3x because I need 3 prompts, right? So ChatGPT 5 now created the prompt that I used in Clingi AI to bring the images to life, which basically looks something like this, guys, okay? Supernatural, nothing crazy, but once we put all that together, add some voiceovers, some captions, it's gonna look absolutely amazing, guys. So definitely watch video until the end because I'm gonna show you everything from A to Z all the way down to the end result, guys, okay? And this is the prompt I used, okay? If you look here for the prompt and for this image, this is the video prompt number 2. I believe that's the same one. Let me see. Yeah, so video prompt right here. The same one. Yeah, that's the one, guys. This is the same prompt I'm using for the shot right here because this is labeled as mirror selfie, so that's the one. So if we take this one and we bring it to Clingi AI, and then we get this result, guys. So, and the first one we did was this one here, also very natural, like very raw, right? Not like overly done because we don't want to have like this over polished look, right? So we have these two. This is great. So what I want to do now, I want to basically stitch these two together, guys. Okay. So there are two options. What you can do, you can use either CapCut because it offers a free plan for video editing and really beginner friendly. But I'll be using today something called FilMora because it's a bit more advanced than CapCut, and it just gives me a little bit more flexibility in terms of how I want to edit the video and what is the end result I want to get, guys. But again, FilMora, CapCut, DaVinci, guys, like After Effects, whatever you guys using for video editing, doesn't really matter. It's going to be kind of the same approach. It's just really more a personal preference how you want to go about that. Okay, so I'm going to download these two videos. So let me just pull this one right here. I just want to make sure I downloaded that without the watermark. Let me open this up quickly. Okay, that's fine. And I also want this one right here. Let me download that. Cool. So these two videos good to go. Awesome. Okay, so we have our images. So what I want before we jump into that, I went back to ChatGPT and I said, create a 10-second script for this product in TikTok style, and this what we got. So basically, just really a simple voiceover over the videos because we will need that. So I'm gonna take this one right here. Okay, I'm gonna go to 11 Labs. Okay, and now I'm gonna generate the script for this product. Okay, so let me just change that, and we need to find a voice. Okay, let's see the voices. Let's see what we got here. Jane.
Hello, I'm Jane.
Definitely no.
Hey, everybody.
Nope.
She tore her gaze away from her ruined foot. Hey, are you looking for a fresh and engaging?
They're too commercial. I feel like I wanted something.
Oh, come on! By repeating what's.
Yeah, I think we can do something like this. We can do Jessica. Let's select Jessica. Okay, let's see how that sounds. All right.
Tell me why this set is literally the only thing I want to wear at home. It's soft, fuzzy, and feels like a warm hug. Top, pants, cardigan, effortless, but so cute. Honestly, I don't.
Let's get it. It's a little bit too long. We need like around 10 seconds.
Tell me why this set is literally the only thing I want.
But the expression is great. Expression is really good. So I want to make it a bit faster though. Yeah, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just cut it. I see there's a couple of space here, so I can just cut it up and make it more compact. But I like the generation number one. It sounds pretty cool and dynamic. So let's do that. Cool guys. So we have all the assets now. What I want to do now, I'm going to open FilMora, guys. Okay, and this is where all the magic is going to happen, guys. We're going to put it all together, guys, right? So this is going to be for a mobile, so need to go with 9:16, okay, because that's the Reels format. Let me just bring in all the materials that we're going to be using. Okay, let me just, oh my God, guys, I have so many tabs open. So what I want, first of all, it's going to be this one here, then this one here, and this one right here, guys. All right, cool. So we have all the assets, our audio. So let's start with the first one like this. Yeah, that's fine. And this one. Then I want to make sure I mute the audio on these tracks because I don't need audio on these tracks because we have voiceover. Okay. All right. So let me just see the length.
Tell me why this set is literally the only thing I want to wear at home. It's soft, fuzzy, and feels like a warm hug. Top, pants, cardigan, effortless.
Okay. Oh, guys, I just forgot to bring in this one right here. The first shot is of which is kind of the close up of the product. Okay. So I brought that in here too. So cool. Now let's move things around a little bit. So let's see how we can start this.
Tell me why this set is literally.
I think I'll start with showing the first the video itself. So we'll just do something like this.
Tell me why this set is literally the only. Tell me why this set is literally the only.
Okay, I'll cut it here.
Tell me why this set is.
I can cut it here. Then I want to like cut it here to bring it up faster to the close up.
Tell me why this set is literally the only.
And then we'll do another close up like this, right?
Tell me why this set is literally the only thing I want.
And then we can show the body shot like this.
Tell me why this set is literally the only thing I want to wear at home. It's soft, fuzzy.
Or maybe.
Tell me why this set.
Okay, we can move this one here. Let's see how that looks.
This set is literally the only thing I want to wear at
Let's cut it up here.
home. I want to wear at home. Only thing I want to wear at home. Wear at home. It's soft, but.
Okay, like this. And then we can kind of move into the third shot.
Fuzzy. Tell me why this set is literally the only thing I want to wear at home. It's soft, fuzzy, and feels like a warm hug. Top, pants, cardigan, effortless, but so
Maybe we'll add some effects here.
cute. Honestly, I don't think I'm ever taking it off.
Let me just adjust the audio limit.
But so cute.
Can probably cut it from here. So we match with the ending. Okay.
Effortless, but so cute. Honestly, I don't think I'm ever taking it off.
Okay, that works. Cool.
Tell me why this set is literally the
Maybe I can add like a zoom effect
only
somewhere
thing I
here.
want to wear at home. It's soft, fuzzy, and feels like
Can add a zoom effect here maybe. Let's do like a zoom. Let's try it.
it's soft, fuzzy, and feels like a
Okay, that's too
it's
aggressive.
soft, fuzzy, and feels like
So maybe we can play around with transitions. Let's do something. See if we can add here just to make it smoother a little bit.
tell me why this set is literally the
That could work. We're just a little bit less.
tell me why this set is literally the only thing
Okay.
I want to wear at home.
There's a bit of flash. I think there are some gaps. Let me see. Yeah, so there's some gaps. Okay.
I want to wear at home.
Let's add some
Thing I
transition
want to wear
here.
at home.
Maybe a little bit less.
I want to wear at home. It's soft.
Honestly, this one is not that good. Let's try a zoom.
I want to wear at home.
That's cleaner. And we can probably do the same thing right here. Slow zoom. Maybe this one could be cool.
It's soft, fuzzy, and feels like a warm hug.
Okay. I think this is gonna be too aggressive.
Hug.
Yeah. Okay, maybe we don't need any effects here, but just the beginning.
Tell me why this set is literally the
Okay.
only thing I want to wear at home. It's soft, fuzzy, and feels like a warm hug. Top, pants, cardigan, effortless, but so cute. Honestly, I don't think I'm ever taking it off.
I mean, that looks good enough. So what I want to do now, I want to add a bit of music. Let's do like something maybe chill or relax. Maybe lo-fi. Lo-fi always goes good with everything. Yeah, that's cool. We can use that one. Okay, this is copyrighted. They want me to pay for it. Okay, this one should be okay. Okay, and let me just cut this one like this. Then
Tell me why
we should put it a little bit lower. It's too loud.
this set is literally the only thing. Tell me why this set is literally the only thing I want to wear at home. It's soft,
Okay.
fuzzy, and feels like a warm hug. Top, pants, cardigan. Honestly, I don't think I'm ever taking it off.
Cool, guys. That's good. Just need to add some fade in and fade out. Let me see if we can do that here. Or we need effect for that. I think it's gonna be effect. Let me see if we have fade ins. No, do we? Okay, not here. Okay, it's here in the settings. So we'll do fade in. It's like half. Actually, we can do it 1 second and fade out 1 second. That should do the trick.
Tell me why this set is literally the only thing I want to wear at home. It's soft, fuzzy, and feels like a warm hug.
Okay.
Top, pant, effortless, but so. Honestly, I don't think I'm ever taking it off.
Okay, so now the last thing I want to add is going to be a caption. That was here, a caption. So let's generate dynamic ones because I want dynamic ones with like cool effects and stuff like that. Let's generate that. Okay. And what's cool about FilMora, it comes with all the captions, effects, and you have like so many B-rolls and stuff like that. So FilMora is definitely a really, really decent video editing platform. I prefer it over CapCut. CapCut, in my opinion, is a little bit limited. But again, to each his own. All right, guys, so we have the captions. It's good. So the only thing I want to position them a little bit differently, and also I want to see the style. Okay, let's see what options we have. Something cute to go with the entire video style. Something on a softer side, I would say. Nope, nope, nope. Let's see. This will be cool. Kind of goes well with the overall colors.
Set is literally the only thing I want to wear at home. It's soft.
Cool, that works. And now I just want to position it a little bit differently. Let me just, if we can do it kind of in the middle, maybe just a little bit bigger. And actually, not in the middle. I think it will be better somewhere here, let's say, like this. Okay, that's kind of the standard approach usually for TikTok. And if we have any CTAs on Facebook ads, in case it overlaps, let's just put it somewhere just like this. That should do the trick.
Tell me why this set is literally the only thing I want to wear at home. It's soft, fuzzy, and feels like a warm hug.
Cool, guys. Looking pretty good.
Honestly, I don't think I'm ever taking it off.
Cool. So we're good to go, guys. Let's export and see the final result. So I'm just gonna do here on export, and we'll do like we'll do something like AI product video. Okay, I'll make sure I'm exporting high. We need to be 1080 by 920. Okay, for the reels, and let's export that, guys. Okay, so we're good to go. Let's play it. Moment of the truth, guys. Let me just open it right here.
That is the only thing.
Nice.
It's soft, fuzzy, it feels like a warm hug.
It's pretty cool, guys.
Pants, cardigan. Honestly, I don't think I'm ever taking it off.
Nice, guys. I mean, it's very simple. Honestly, you can spend more time and make it really, look to the point where you can't tell if it's real or no. There's some elements that you can do to achieve that, but here I'm just giving you the foundation so you kind of know how to do things, how to do image to video, how to do the prompts, guys. And again, don't forget that I'm including the free prompts guide, the boilerplate, guys, okay? Because you will need to have that if you want to get something similar, guys, okay? So as always, if you did enjoy the video, as always, make sure to like and subscribe. Enable those notifications so you get notified when next video like this drops, guys, because I always try to provide freebies and cool stuff for you guys to make things easier for you. And yeah, guys, as you guys already know, happy building. If you run into any issues during your process, let me know down in the comments. I'll help you out. If not, I'm gonna see you next time and have a good one.